We're singing it loud and proud today here at Swing and Release Pride Month edition. Yes, Vic, that is working for you.
Don't you think?
That is. You're making the crowd jealous, though. You don't want to make the crowd too jealous, Vicki. That looks really good. Yeah, that's good. All right, if you know it, sing along. If you don't, try to follow along.
I feel like
The song is called TarGAY, and it's going to be premiering at the Scene Festival in Rhode Island in about a month. Meet me there. Okay.
One, two, three. 1, 2. Oh. 1, 2. 1, 2.
You know what, Vicki? I was just looking for some headphones. Target was having a sale.
I get it.
I pointed my cart to aisle 9, but on my way there, I saw some yogurt-covered raisins and remembered that I needed some, along with microwave popcorn, coconut water, and a 12-pack of peppermint gum.
Of course.
Headphones in the distance, but something else caught my eye. Tortilla chips, salsa picante, frozen apple pie. Marshmallows for a camp out, hypothetically something we need.
Definitely.
Honey grams, dried mango, and a bottle of Listerine. Oh no. And that's when I saw the table with the rainbows on display. Rainbow flip-flops, rainbow socks, rainbow Chardonnay. I filled my cart up quickly. I nearly cleared out their bins. I got a cowgirl hat, a yoga mat, a tank top that says love wins. Oh, don't go shopping when you're hungry. Don't go to Target when you're gay. Not when the shelves are double decorated with rainbow paraphernalia. You are the Target for a market, and we can all get carried away. So don't go shopping when you're hungry, and don't go to Target when you're gay. I gotta get back to those headphones, but the red vines are in my view. Shelled pistachio nuts, rainbow mini donuts, a inflatable rainbow unicorn to a tiara. No, that's too fancy, but the price makes it kind of a steal.
No, girl.
Just because you don't have a hamster doesn't mean you don't need a hamster wheel. Don't go shopping when you're hungry. Don't go to Target when you're gay. Not when the shelves are double decorated with rainbow paraphernalia. You are the Target for a market, and we can all get carried away. So don't go shopping when you're hungry, and don't go to Target when you're gay. Don't go shopping when you're hungry, and don't go to Target when you're gay in May. Yes, folks, you heard it here first.
Goodbye.
We're saying goodbye to our paraphernalia. Hold on. Throw it out to the audience. See who catches it.
Catch.
Yes.
All right. Whoever catches it gets to keep it.
Ooh. Catch.
Catch.
One
Ready?
hand. One hand.
Get it.
Ooh, good. Juju, throw yours.
Oh.
Your bouquet.
Oh. All right, I will.
It's like the garter.
I'm always like a little.
Woo.